Okay, now I will show you the problem that you will face at the beginning to create the layout of your circuit. Here I have a circuit that I used to make a voltmeter. Actually, I will use it, and you will see it will ask, yeah, this is the problem. Each time you open a new layout for your circuit that you have drawn in the capture, you will see it will ask for components for the that is the U2, and it doesn't know which footprint should be used for this component. So we first see what is that component. Here U2 is this one. This is 7447 IC. So this is a 16 pin IC DIP. So what I will do is link existing footprint to component. Okay, you can link this way. If you want to use your own footprint that you have, that you will create in the layout, you can use that also, or you can use the existing one this way. From here I want to select the DIP 100T 16. Yeah, okay. Okay, you see, this way it will actually ask for all the components. As I before I make this soft video, I did already created the selected the footprint for all other components, so that's why it knows which footprint is to use for which components, but it will actually ask for all the components. So you will locate just as I did last time. You will locate the component or existing component or any component that you will create from the library manager if it is not available in the existing list. So after you create your selecting all the footprints of all the components, it will line up all the components like this way, but this is not the way we want them to place. What we will do is select the components, place it where we want, and also you should be careful about the position where you want to keep them. And so I am just doing it to do it clear, to do it quickly. I am doing keeping it in some arbitrary position. Usually you will keep it where actually your circuit should, where the component should be in your board. So this is the position of the board. In the component tool, selecting the component tool, you can change the position of any component this way. After you are done with your component placement, you see here these are the connections, the yellow connections. It will know the information where which pin should be connected actually from the circuit diagram. Here you see this is PB0.0. It is actually connected to yeah, here PB0. Where is PB0? PV, yeah, here it is connected to PV0. So these connections are actually done in capture in the circuit diagram. You will define the connections, name the IC, different components. The position is not done here. Here this is just the diagram. The position will be done here. Suppose you want to place this component here on the PCB, so this is the position, and the name and all other informations, the connections is found here. So suppose if you want to make any change, you will actually change here. Suppose for example I want to bring a resistor, and the new resistor will be placed here, suppose. Then I will make connection from here to here, from here to here. Okay, and before that, to show that it will come up here, I just want to make a auto route here. So it is now doing auto route. Okay, auto route is done. Now I have changed placed a resistor here, and I want to save it, and then from the netlist here I want to create the netlist again. Okay, because I have make a change. So when you open the layout, it will say the netlist has been changed and you have to update it. So you will create yes, and you see this is the resistance that I placed here, and also the connection between this point and this point is done here. So it is already updated here, but the placement of that component is not where we want. We will do it, suppose here. Okay, so this way you will update any change in here, and it will be automatically updated here, just like this, the way I showed. Then you will maybe you will need to unroot and then auto root again. Okay,